Hello, Mini Kit Monday friends. So I'm kind of excited about this situation. So Dolly has come up with our inspiration for December, and it's based on the word winter. And she gave us 3 columns. Let me bring this in for a second. She gave us 3 columns. We have paper or product color, a product focus, and photo ideas. And we are to pick one thing from each column per layout and concentrate on that and not use it again. So for example, if I used ice blue, I'm going to cross that off. If I concentrate on wood veneer, I'll cross that off, and so on as I go through the weeks. Now, the colors are very interesting. I have wintergreen dream, so a greenish color, ice blue, nut brown, terracotta, earthy yellow, and robin's egg blue, which is interesting. So product focuses, a new product from 2019. That'll be easy. Tools, I have punches, ephemera, of course, rainbow of color. Inks I can use, or paints. I wonder if mist counts. I'm going to have to ask. Wood veneer. And then photo choices are weather, picture of yourself, nature, travels, event, rejoice, or reflect. Interesting. So I knew I had a kit coming in the mail from Mind the Scrap. I subscribe to them monthly, and I took a look at it and I realized that it would work for these parameters. So I thought I would open my Mind the Scrap kit with you. It will be my November kit that I'll be using for December, and you'll see what I have, right? And I'll see what it looks like, because I only opened the box. It's from the UK. So I only opened the box, but I didn't go through and I didn't really get a good look at things. So I thought I would do that with you. Let me see. Embellishment kit, main kit. Okay, so main kit. And what I do, I get the paper add-on kit, and the paper add-on kit has every paper that's in the main kit. So I will open them at the same time so that you can see the fronts and backs of my papers, because it can really make a difference. I mean, a lot of the time I'm a B-side scrapper, you know. So let's see what we have to work with for Mini Kit Monday and Mind the Scrap. Let's start with the papers. The first paper is, it's one from Wildflower and Honey. It's Vicki Boutin Field of Dreams. And now this is going to take care of that rainbow component easily. So gorgeous, so textural. It's, okay. It is, as I would call it, the bee's knees. I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. Now the back side of this one, okay. So it's a couple different colors of blue, which I need blue. What was it called? Ice blue and robin's egg blue. So I'm going to say that some of that has that robin's egg blue look. Very cool. Next paper I have, it's pink paisley again and again. Paper number 11. Very nice navy, and it's kind of like an aggravated zigzag, and I swear it reminds me of a mountain. Next, the back side of that. Oh, cute. Here's taking care of the rainbow thing again. Remember, product focus was rainbow of colors or product. Rainbow or rainbow. See, I'm telling you, I thought this would work. The next piece of paper I have is a specialty paper, and I have 2 of them. So it is from Indigo and Ivy, pink paisley, indigo and ivy. It's just the vellum. It is gorgeous. It's got this very strong marbling of gold. I know you're getting a glare off the main sheet. And it just so happens to have a white piece of, it's not like cardstock weight in it, but these have, you know, something I can definitely back photos in. So I count that as my paper too, that I'm going to have stuff to map photos. Okay, so this is Jen Hadfield Homemade from the This Is Family line, and it's called Round Trip. Now, I don't think there's wintergreen in this kit. I haven't found it yet, but we're going to pretend that that's wintergreen. It's a greenish color, right? Back side of this, it's just a really great teal. Oh, I like, oh, the branding strip's so cute. It's these cute little trees. Do you see the cute little trees? Okay, so it's teal, diagonal stripe. Very, very cool. The next sheet I have here, it is Dear Lizzie, She's Magic. Yay. Nice deep coral. So let's see. Oh, we had terracotta. Are we going to sneak and call this terracotta? Possibly. All right, and that sheet's called Lucky. I don't know if I said that. The other side is, oh, it is a ledger. Very sweet. Really nice branding strip too. Nice ledger. I have this one right here. It's from the Vicki Boutin Wildflower and Honey again. It's called Queen Bee, and it's a honeycomb with rainbow. That is ridiculously gorgeous. Ridiculously gorgeous right there. Backside of that, oh, it's a very nice deep navy. It's kind of like feathered almost. That is so gorgeous. And look at how bold it is against some of the other papers. I'm going to pop that up that way. And I believe this is a bonus piece of paper because the manufacturer gave them to her for her kits. Heidi Swapp Wolfpack, Over the Moon, which these two go together swimmingly. I like this because, yeah, you know what, because I just like it. So that's that piece. And let's see what the back side looks like. Oh, absolutely easy to use, gorgeous ledger. Very nice. Our colored cardstock, you get one type of colored cardstock a month. You get black and white, and then you get one colored. It is Basil's Beeswax. That makes sense with all the Vicki Boutin, right? So I've got 2 beeswax. I've got 2. Yes, I've got 2 of this really nice thick white cardstock. I mean, look at that, is like thick stuff. Nice. And I have a nice black cardstock. So that is my paper kit. It is gorgeous, usable. It's a lot, but since it's my Mind the Scrap kit, and it is my mini kit Monday kit, I have a feeling I'll have bonus layouts. Okay, the alphas that come with this are Honey and Spice. So they're thickers, and it makes me think it's Vicki Boutin. All lowercase, which I like, and they are jet black, but the letters themselves have a little shine to them. Okay, we've got some numbers, just a little punctuation. No, not a whole lot extra with the little alpha stuff there. Then we get from Pink Paisley again and again an embellishment pack. Okie dokie. So there are wood veneer embellishments. Oh, it shows you kind of nicely. They're very deep brown wood veneer. Wasn't nut brown? Yes, nut brown's one of my colors. So look at that. And wood veneer is one of my choices too. Let me see. Yep. Product focus for W for winter is wood veneer. Nut brown and wood veneer. This is going well. We've got these paper clips here that are very, very deep triangles, and then all kinds of gorgeous sequins in these beautiful, beautiful pink tones, gold tones, iridescent. That is gorgeous. And then lastly, I have the Vicki Boutin embellishments. There's 50 of them from the Wildflower and Honey. And there is a fab representation of what is in that embellishment pack. There's little not safety pins, there's little clips, circle bits, journaling spots, tags, oh, little banner pieces. See, there's little banner pieces. Very cool. Okay, next, let's look at the embellishment kit. So, in this embellishment kit, this has Heidi Swapp stickers. There's 55 in here. I don't know what collection it's from. I don't know. Oh, it's from Honey and Spice. And it has a copper metallic finish, which is kind of cool. So look, it has the little Frenchie dog. Rainbow in like like wine colors and stuff. That is cool. Very cool. So rainbow's part of our thing. Ooh, look, this whole back side is labels. I love me some labels. They're so tuckable. And this is the front side. Like I said, there are, look at the tiny word stickers. I know they're not called tiny word stickers, little word stickers. I like these little quotes. The days of the week, a nice little arrow. So that's very cool. And along with that, the other piece for the embellishment kit is this Heidi Swapp ephemera pack. There are 72 pieces. That same metallic finish is in there. Trying to get it, there you go, to show up. So let me show you what is in here. So let's see, we've got journaling bits, a lot of floral stuff. Oh, I see, I don't know if you can see it. Look at that little Frenchie laying down. So cute. Frenchie standing up. We've got some photo corners in there, arrows. I see this as being incredibly usable. Very cool. And there is some more green in there. You know, I was trying to get winter green. It's not winter green. I know. For my mixed media kit, let me show you what I'll be using for my mixed media kit. Now, Dolly said we had to use inks or paints. I'm going to ask her if I can use these chromatics. They're in the color called Honeycomb. They're alcohol blending markers. I can turn them into paint or ink, I bet. So the deal is, let's see, they're alcohol blending markers. There's 3 shades of yellow, and well, earthy yellow was one of our colors, which is cool. So I have that. I have the Heidi Swapp Alphas. They're kind of like a imperfectly perfect, which I do like, and there's an upper and lower case of each letter. I shouldn't say that. They all look uppercase, but there's big and small of each letter. Now we all got 4 washi, but it doesn't mean we got the same ones in our kit. So this right here, oh, and it's kind of shiny. It's got a shiny finish to it. Do you see that, like right there? So we've got these cute little light bulbs, and it looks like green to me. This looks like a Vicki Boutin honeycomb pattern. Very cool, very rainbowy too. This is more of a watercolor kind of a washi. Beautiful. And then I have, it's metallic silver. Very cool. All right, so that is my mixed media kit. And then the last kit that I get is the Bujo kit, which is for a bullet journal. I do not bullet journal for the most part, but I do like bullet journal kits. All right, so I'm going to start with the paper. Now, I'm sorry, let me say that again. The bullet journal kits from Mind the Scrap always have a paper pad in them, or they have the last number of months since I've subscribed. Sorry I didn't open this for you first. I was trying to kind of open everything and see it with you, if that makes sense. So let me make that nice and tidy so I never have to deal with it again. Ooh, the back is already coming off. It wants to escape. So this is the Vicki Boutin. It says Art for Everyone, paper pad, 6 by 8 inches. Oh, it is double-sided and there's 2 of each design. So let's see what we have. All right, that looks like you just want to fussy cut that out. Very nice. And oh, I can show you better like this. That is gorgeous. Those like, I don't know, slightly more autumnal, slightly more, I don't know, color rich. I don't know, Vicki Boutin's good at color rich anyway, isn't she? Oh, we have that in the big one. Gorgeous. A nice little cut apart. Pretty, pretty. Love the lemons. Floral pieces, not floral, fauna, I guess. See, that's like that color, my grandmother used to call it bone, but very cool. Love the rainbowy stripes, the big hearts. These are gorgeous. Oh, 4x6 cards, but I would feel like cutting out that arrow. That is so cool. And then they just repeat. So that is the paper pad I will have to work with. I will go like this. The alphas that are in this kit are the bee's freaking knees. Okay, pink paisley again and again. They are wood grain, itty bitty mini alphas. I'd say less than a centimeter. Let's see, what do we have? I mean, oh, that's an inch. That is not helpful. You know what it helps to do? Yeah, they're a centimeter. Is to not have a fully destroyed ruler when you're trying to measure. But the side of them is like a peach color. So those are very cool. Nice little alpha. I have this great Vicki Boutin. It's called Honey. They are puffy stickers in black and metallic gold. All kinds of great little icon pieces. See all the little hearts? I see stars right here. Oh, that cute little, it looks like a little citrus thing. Bendy arrows. Oh, look at that banner piece. Oh my word. And it repeats this awesome day, this story, all these great pieces. So, oh, and then last but not last, I've got this great little piece of pom-pom trim. So cute. So now I do know from Dolly that I must come up with photos about weather, something about me, nature, travel, event, rejoice. So I've got a really good starting point. I'm excited about this, and I will see you next week with my very first layout. Goodbye, friends.